Hey everybody, Monday, April 10th. Let's take a look at the Astro Excel for the week. We've got a little bit of a downtrend coming in, and then we start to push up here this morning, bottoming out around 9:20. We push up into tomorrow at 13:12 in the afternoon. Then we've got downward pressure until Wednesday at about 13:16 in the afternoon. And then we pretty much go flatline. There's a slight up and a slight down movement the rest of the week. But it's pretty much just hugging the zero line. Uh, Even the larger moves here are stuck inside the 10 lines. So anytime we're in the 10 lines, it's not necessarily a lot of pressure. The better trend moves come when we get outside of the 10 lines. On the blue line, we've got key spikes. Late today, about 22:30, we've got a spike low in the morning, 5:53 tomorrow on Tuesday the 11th, and then at 20:30 tomorrow night, we've got this high that pushes close to the 20 line, and then this might be the most important spike of the week, the spike low here at 5:24 on Wednesday morning. And then right here we have 2:35 a.m. on the 13th. Spike high at about plus 18 on the 13th at the end of the session, just before 1700. And then right after midnight on Friday the 14th, we've got this spike low. So that's kind of the Astro pressure for the week. Stuck inside the 10 lines. We'll see how it shakes out.